We'll guide you through how to draw a t-shirt in Corel Draw. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Corel Draw on your computer. Click New Document to create a new file so you can work on a blank canvas. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on the canvas as the base shape. Next, select the Ellipse tool and draw a shape on the canvas to combine with the rectangle. Select both objects and press C on the keyboard to align them to the center accurately. Click back - front to combine the shapes and create a new form. Select the Shape tool and adjust the corners until the shape looks like the desired form. Select the Rectangle tool again and draw another rectangle on the canvas to define additional areas. Select all objects and click Trim to cut the shapes according to the new rectangle. Select the Shape tool and adjust the arm corners according to your needs to refine the silhouette. Double-click on this area and click again to add nodes for better control. Select the Convert to Curves icon and adjust the curve shape as needed to smooth the edges. Repeat the same process on the arm section to keep both sides consistent. Double-click on the center of the neck area to add nodes. Then drag a guideline to determine the center point accurately. Double-click on the bottom center area to add nodes for further editing. Select both center nodes while holding the Control key to choose them together. Click Break Curve to separate the path at the selected points. Separate the upper right and lower curve sections, then delete those parts to clean the shape. Select the remaining object and copy and paste it to create a duplicate. Click Mirror horizontally and align both objects together while holding the Shift key so they stay centered. Select all objects and click Weld to merge them into one shape. Select the connected nodes in the center and click Join two nodes to close any gaps. Select the Bezier tool and draw the t-shirt collar, for example as shown, and adjust it as needed for proper shape. Select the Smart Fill tool and click on each section of the t-shirt to fill enclosed areas. Change the t-shirt color as desired, for example black with a white outline, to complete the design. Review proportions carefully before saving your project and exporting the final artwork.